Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the castling method in the chess.com app. Whether you're new to chess or just looking to customize your playing style, adjusting this setting is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the chess.com app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on More. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the app's options. Inside Settings, tap on Board to open board-related setting. Now, find and tap on Castling Method. Finally, you'll see two options, Normal and Legacy. Choose the one you prefer. The normal method follows standard castling rules, while Legacy may be more familiar to older users or those used to earlier app versions. And that's it! You've now successfully changed the castling method in your chess.com app. Don't forget to explore other settings to personalize your game even further. Thanks for watching.